everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have a new box for the channel to see, and this is the Israeli pack, and this is a monthly subscription with love from Israel, it says on the box. I was contacted by, I think her name was Maria from Israel Pack, to see if I was interested in unboxing this on the channel, and I said yes, just because it was very interesting to me, unique, different, and why not bring something different to all of you to see, and for myself too. So this is, everything's going to fall out, of course. So when you open the box, this is what I see. This box is full and it is heavy, so I don't want to drop anything. So let me just see what these are here. You know, a little card, invite a friend, get a box for free. That doesn't matter to me. I'd rather you guys get a discount. And then this, I would assume, nice little like card paper here, and I would assume this is all the items inside. Okay, very interesting. We'll put that to the side because I'm sure we'll need that. And before we get to the actual unboxing part, I just wanted to share a little bit. Here, I have a pencil. I just want to get rid of the pencil. A little bit of information about Israeli Pack, because I never heard of them, and I'm sure you guys have not either. Directly from their website, it says, Israel Pack is a family subscription box for all ages, helping the lovers of Israel to experience the culture and history of the Holy Land. Each month, we will ship you a curated selection of unique, organic, handmade items from local Israeli farmers and artisans. Sounds wonderful to me. Being an artist, why not? You get 6 to 8 products in each box. You can also send this as a gift to someone if you would like. Contents usually are food, snacks, skincare, home decor items, and so forth. And it says, experience Israel at your home and strengthen your connection with the Holy Land. I am a Christian woman, so this box does have a little bit of meaning, extra meaning for me. It's free worldwide shipping. What else? Oh, I wanted to do the most important part, the cost. This is a little bit of an expensive box, probably the most expensive box on the channel. It's $99 a month. They promise a $200 value of handcrafted gems for only half the price. So you pay $99, you get $200 worth of product. So we'll save this card on the top, and we'll be using that too. And then this, once I took the cards off, that's it, just their little sticker. So we're going to unwrap this. I'm excited to do this. Had this just maybe for a day or two, and couldn't wait to get in the box and see what was in here. Now there's lots of these little things right here, so I'm just going to try to get them out of the way without them falling on the floor. All right, I'm going to see if I can grab the first thing that I see. And nothing here is sample size, by the way. So these are, and obviously they're not in English, so this is not necessarily going to be a problem. I'm going to leave them wrapped up in their plastic. I do believe these are olives, table olives. And it says, traditionally, it was common to have olives with bread for breakfast or a mid-morning snack, or along with herbal tea in the evening. Olives were something one did not need to buy. It was what the land produced. So this is what the container looks like. And these are olives with lemon from Zeta Olive. And that company was founded over 20 years ago and is known to one of the best olive brands in Israel for its quality and unique flavors and aromas. The olives are cultivated in groves nested amid the hills and valleys of Galilee in northern Israel. Now, I don't like olives, but I have family members that do, so I'm sure they are going to love those. That's exciting. Ooh, what is this? Hot red paprika with oil. Now this I will use for sure. Red hot paprika from Pereg, P-E-R-E-G, Natural Foods. Paprika is perfect for shakshuka, omelet, spaghetti, Moroccan fish, and hummus. This brand, Pareg, started in 1906 as a small spice cart, and today it produces more than 60 varieties of spices and herbs. And that is a big jar. This, it's not going to, nothing here is English, so I don't know like ounces, but that, I mean, it does have a 120 on the bottom. I wonder if that's like 120, and it's probably mLs. And this looks like it has like a shaker top on it. I am excited for that. We love paprika. Anything spicy, hot, always works well for us. So let's see what this is right here. Wow, this box is interesting. I love it. I just dropped the card. Okay. Let's see here what this item is. So this is what this looks like right here. And this is a handmade pot holder from Topa Top. Durable 100% cotton, easy to wash, resistant to bleach, heat resistant to 400 degrees. Well, let's open this and see what this is. Beautiful red ribbon. Now this box is gorgeous. Oh, this is so nice. So this is one side. Here, let me just get all these little squiggly things off. So this is one size, and this is a good size pot holder. This is not a little pot holder. Has its little, you know, so you can hang it up. And then the other side is just the contrasting color. And it is, I don't know if you guys can see, maybe, it is quilted. Like you can see the lines down and then they come across. I don't know if you'll be able to see any of that. This is really nice. I love that. Love that. That is so nice. Wow, I'm impressed. There's 3 things that are awesome right there. Ooh, what next? We'll just do this. This is right at hand. So with this, I'm not sure what this is right here. So let's read. So this is hand soap and cream from Saban Michael. And it's M-I-C-H-A-L. Hair's in my face. It's a sad truth of housekeeping that even if you wear gloves, your hands will still wind up dry after cooking and cleaning. Using an antibacterial soap can dry out your skin. Instead, wash your hands with a natural moisturizing soap. Let me grab that first. I think that's right here. So we have, I'll show you both of these. This is the soap. And this is a natural moisturizing soap. There, which is very nice. And then this must be, it says, don't forget to use a hand cream several times a day. Natural skincare products from Saban, I'm assuming Michael, but it could be Mikhail, will help keep your hands soft. So there you go. So we have a soap and a cream. Wow, this box is full. There's still several items in here. This item is wrapped here. So let's see what is in this. Let's get the bubble off. I can see where the bubble starts. Maybe I can get it out without undoing the bubble. Probably not. Okay. This looks interesting. Whoa! I'm going to drop that on the ground. Glass breaks. So this is dried tomato spread. Wow. You guys can see that. Let's read what that is. Ugh. Dried tomato spread is, oh, this hair. The struggle is real, people. Dried tomato spread with basil from Lynn's Farm. Ideal for shakshuka. You can also elevate your toast with a savory Mediterranean flair by spreading bread with this healthy dip. I would love to like almost dip like a pita chip or something like that in this. This is probably very good. And this looks like it's a decent size. Wow. Dried tomatoes spread with basil. That looks delicious. I'm going to have to put some of this stuff back here. I have no more room. And let's see what this is. This is something big here that's wrapped up also. Let's get this unwrapped. If I can. Let's get this all unwrapped. I don't want to drop anything and break anything. This box is phenomenal, and there's nothing small here whatsoever. Let me see what this is. Looks like an oil. Extra virgin olive oil. And some of that came out the top. I have oil on my fingers. I don't like that. Okay, so we'll be careful with that. So this is, I mean, you can see how big it is. Let's see where this is. Extra virgin olive oil from Lynn's Farm also. Let's see you guys. This high quality olive oil is perfect as a condiment in salad dressings, as a bread dipper, as the base for uncooked sauces, to name only a few examples. And I love olive oil to cook with. It's awesome. Let me get this back here. I'm just going to put that right on top there. Oh, a little olive oil for your skin, never hurt nobody. And I think there's one item left. Do I see one item left? Okay. Looks like there's one item left in the box. Okay, so it comes in this little sack, which is really cute. I'll reuse that for something. I'm just going to put that back there. Just wrapped in paper. Everything is packaged well. I mean, the box smells phenomenal. I guess the soap did that to the box. They weren't messing around when they packaged everything. Aww. Wow. Is this a little handmade? I would assume this is handmade. A handmade bowl or dish, whatever you want to call it. Handmade bowl from K Clay. Easy to use and clean. You can serve sauces, dips, or olives in this small clay bowl. I probably won't do that. I want to display this, so I might put it on my desk in the back. And like the 1 or 2 beauty sponges that I'm using, I might, once they're dry and ready to use again, I might just keep this in the back and put a couple of my, because I have used a few small ones like around my eye, and I usually use 2 beauty blenders, so I might just, once they're dry, put them in here, and this way, when I want them, I can either grab the dish or just grab out of it what I want. That is adorable. I love that. Wow. And it does give you the recipe here for shakshuka right in the center of the card. And I will take a copy of this so that you can read this. And then this side just gives you a little bit more information. Wow. Cultures of the world. And this is the Israel. I don't know. I'm assuming this box brings all the culture from Israel. I mean, that's not for me. In my lifetime, I probably will never get to Israel. Just any of that area, I don't foresee it in my future as something that I will, this box, I don't want anything to fall, that is something that will happen for me. If it does, that would be phenomenal. But let me give you a look. I think this box is awesome. I mean, it is expensive, but when you're getting, you know, handmade, artisan, crafted items, it's not cheap. Just want to make sure I didn't miss any information. I know there is a discount if you order your first box. Okay, you're going to get, I'm going to put a link down in the description for you to click on, and you will save 35% off your first Israel pack box. I think that's pretty, also pretty awesome. I mean, why not? Okay, I just, like I said, I have a whole bunch of information written down here, and I do not want to forget anything, since this is a relatively, you know, I've never heard of them, and I would assume relatively newer box. I know there's like really no videos out there yet on YouTube with this box, and I think that's it, 35% off. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that it's not like it's a code that you have to use. You just have to click on the link in the description box, and you save 35%. That's a lot to save, so that's happy. That's good, and that makes me happy that there's a discount. If there's any other codes or any other information that I get, because I did email them with a question, if they get back to me before this post, I will add it in the description, the information that I asked of them. But I cannot wait. This is probably the most exciting. I'm happy for the pot holder. You can never have enough pot holders, and this is handmade. I love that. Anything handmade has way more meaning to me. And then this is the things that I'm most excited for. You know, this is probably going to be delicious. The tomato basil spread. Olive oil. Love olive oil. We always need it. We're always running out of it. And then the soap and the hand cream. That's always great to have. And a handmade soap. I mean, you can smell it in there. It almost smells. I wish I could read what was in here. Dead Sea Mud Herbal Face Washing Soap. Oh, does it give you any of the English? I would love to know. It almost smells like there's tea tree in there, but it could just be an herb that I'm not used to smelling. That's also, now let me see what this says. It says invite a friend, get a free box. Well, I don't want a free box. I would rather you guys get the free box. So I don't know. I'll have to look more into that. But like I said, this is a new box. I have not seen anybody on YouTube unbox it. So I'm happy to share it with all of you and just bring some variety and something way different than you're used to seeing. So once again, this is this is the May box from Israel Pack. So proud to have received this for free to review and share with all of you. So I hope everyone is doing well and having a great day. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.